About that, especially early with the tire wear we've seen so far this weekend.
Yeah, well said out of a crew chief. That's something I never thought about. Yeah, it will. Oh, crash in turn 1 and 2.
Into the wall. Kelly Byers in the 88 from Junior Motorsports.
You okay?
You see the brake rotor coming apart there.
Had a great run last week when he was at California.
I know we broke something right front or blew up or something. Went straight in the wall.
So broke something, went straight to the wall. He was 11th at the time of the crash.
Now you see some of these parts that are smoking. That's part of the brake rotor. That could have happened after the crash, and likely did happen after the crash. Looks like that right front tire is down, though. It could have run over something.
It started smoking before it got to the corner. It didn't just all come at once there. It stopped now. There's definitely a trail of water or something coming out of the back of it.
Now, one thing these guys got to be concerned about, lap 7, Andy, there's a broken rotor all over the track. They got fresh tires. I'd be worried about a puncture right now.
Yeah, at this point, when I see something like that, I'll tell my driver, leave a gap. Don't run right up on the bumper of the car in front of you so you can see if there's debris out there, because we're not planning on pitting, so we want to take care of these tires.
Okay, couple of things we have to get off to you. Mark Green in the 49 will be the Aaron's lucky dog. He gets back on the lead lap. Dennis Setzer, not a happy 50th birthday for Dennis. He is our first start and park. He's behind the wall. And that's what's left of Kelly Byers' machine. Remember, he started, what, I think it was 32nd last week at California. Came up for a 7th place finish. And then here's what happens, and bam.
Man. Yeah, that's definitely something happened to the car there. Said he felt like maybe something broke. Kind of looks like a tire going down, but it's hard to say right there.
Yeah, that didn't look like he was loose or nothing like that. Just went straight up.
Well.